Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working in my craft room. I went through all of the scrap greenery that I have that was in this basket, and now that basket is now emptied and gone. I will not throw any of these away because these are great if you want to put them on the back of a wreath. You just glue them straight on and it hides all the mechanics. Here's some of the scrap greenery that I have picked out, and I'm going to turn this into an everyday wreath. Stay tuned. Okay friends, so this is my craft room. Those are the closet doors we have yet to hang, but we are getting to it. And then there's my workspace. And then there's some of my florals, and then bins of ribbons that I have. And my deco mesh and my burlap. There's a smaller closet, and then there's the bigger closet, and that's where we hang our winter coats. So that's it. Thanks for watching, friends. Let me know what you think.